On a sunny, bright day of November, we decided to go and explore this beautiful city named Kozhikode, also known as Calicut. So, in today's video, you would see our journey from Kannur to Calicut. Hello, so we are starting our journey to Kozhikode today and we'll show you how the place looks.
We stay in a place called Pilatra in Kannur district. From Pilatra to Calicut, it took around close to 3.5 hours to 4 hours. This is predominantly to do with the current traffic that is there because a lot of construction, the road expansion and things like that is happening. And the total kilometer is around 124 and this comes under NH 66. The best part about the Kannur Calicut belt is because it's basically famous for its spice trading from ancient times.
As this was my first time from Kannur to Calicut, so there are a lot of small places. This is the central jail and it has a ladies jail also just besides it, and after that comes the Indian Post and also the All India radio station.
Since Kannur to Kozhikode is being on the coastal side, you would see a lot of beautiful bridges. Probably most of them are very ancient bridges as well, which has been constructed by Britishers. And the best thing about these rivers are that it has ample amount of water throughout the year because due to low tide or the high tide, there are water that is coming from the sea to the river and the vice versa. The towns covered is Taliparamba, Kannur, Talasheri, Mahi, Vadakara, Koyilandy, and then at last Kozhikode.
Currently we are entering Mahi, and what we see from here is the famous church Saint Teresa Shrine. It looks really beautiful from outside, and as you know that Mahi belongs to Pondicherry, you can see these beautiful vintage buildings which are like colorful.
Immediately when you enter Mahi, the thing that you see the most is bar 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 dekho, hazar bar dekho. As I mentioned before, there is road expansions and things like that's happening throughout the journey. And one place that everybody is gonna get stuck is the Murad Bridge. Where there is an expansion or there is a separate bridge they're going to get constructed, and this bridge is one of the oldest bridges and one of the smallest bridges, I would say, due to which if there are buses and other things that's coming on the other side, you would completely get stuck.
We have finally reached Kozhikode and look how beautiful this place looks. And because of these rains, it's green everywhere. And since the time we have started, it's been raining, and now also it's raining.
After heavy traffic and continuous rain, even though Beastie liked it so much, we have successfully reached Calicut. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos.